Buddhism, lesson number 20, Good Deeds. Hello dear children, how are you? Hope you are having a great time at home. So what are we going to learn today? Today we are going to learn about good deeds. In this session we are going to talk about what are good deeds and ways to perform them. Let me explain how we are going to do this lesson. The lesson will be put out on the following slides in black color. The important points you have to keep on your mind will be in red color. The difficult words and their meanings will be in green color. Let's make the best out of this presentation, children. Lesson 20, Good Deeds. A good child will speak good words, do good things or deeds because of the good in him. We must always speak gently as virtuous children. Before we speak, we must think about whether our words are likely to hurt the listener. Anything that hurts us is more likely to hurt others too. Meanings, good deeds, good actions, virtuous, good. There are medicines for the wounds like for a dog bite. But what is the medicine that heals a heart that has been wounded by harsh words? So, if a statement made to us is likely to hurt us, we must not say it of others. Meanings, wounded, injured. Heal, cure a wound. Virtuous children never gossip, and also they won't be angry when elders advise them. Words are wonderful when used in a proper way. Good or pleasant words can encourage, edify, and give confidence to the listener. Meanings: encourage, giving courage, edify, make to understand, confidence, feeling of trust. There is a famous saying, the words you speak become the house you live in. What we say not only affects others, but it also affects us. We can literally increase our own joy by speaking the truth and right words. A right word spoken at the right place and the right time can actually be life-changing. Some of the good deeds which you should practice are: if there is someone who needs your help, you must help him or her. Give food to the hungry. Share food with your friends when they forget to bring. Give medicine to the sick. Share your knowledge with your friends. Give education to those who are uneducated. Spread love and kindness. Pay respect to the parents, teachers and elders. Do voluntary work to serve the fellow beings with compassion to gain merits. For example, help with cleaning the temple. Distribute food to the needy. Volunteer in animal shelters. Visit elders or children's home. Teach and explain the good and bad things to the friends to deviate them from the wrong path. The Buddha advised us, let the man train himself in merit making that yield for long-lasting happiness. Let him cultivate the practice of giving, virtuous conduct and a mind of metta. By cultivating these qualities, the wise man arrives in untroubled and happy states. Do not fear merit making. Merit making is a term denoting happiness what is desirable, pleasant and charming. Your good deeds will definitely repay. Practice the following stanza. Subhasita cha yavacha etam mangalam uttama. Okay children, that's all for the lesson. Now it's time for some questions. First one, what can we gain by telling the truth and right words? Second, what does the listener gain by listening to the pleasant words? Mention 2. Third, write 5 good deeds which you should practice. Fourth, write the famous saying mentioned in the lesson above and its meaning. Okay children, now let's look at the answers. First one, we can gain merits. Second one, courage and confidence. Third one, you can write any good deed that you like. Okay. Fourth one, let me explain that. Right children? Fourth answer is the words you speak become the house you live in. Meaning is what we say not only affect others but also us. Well done children, great effort. We learned the lesson good deeds today. I have a challenge for you. Try to answer the following question in your mind within 15 seconds. Mention 2 good deeds that we can practice. Try to think children. It's easy, isn't it? Please do not write this question in your writing book. That is all for today children. Please download the student note and complete the relevant exercises. To have some more fun, draw a picture related to this lesson. Have a great day children. Goodbye.